Kwa kanyo wadhi ne weche mag do achiel ni. Chokido chako golo ng'eto moro mar jolup jotend migepe ma kizungu luongo ni CAS. Sani koro Sirkal Attorney General odhi do mar appeal. Ang'o manyalo wuok kanyo ka do ma oketi gi wach mar loko weche mag katiba ema osekoni gini onge katiba ka. Lokruok mane manyalo biro kosen mana ketho sa.
Aparo ni gima yot ma Sirkal onego bed ni timo en ni gi downgrade office mar CAS ni endi mondo gikete bwo permanent secretary, principal secretary. Ka gikete bwo principal secretary koro ok en state office, koro en office in the public service. Koro gima chande the office and constitution koro onge nikech article 132 oyie ni ker to create offices in the public service. Gima kelo shida makata ka kes no the court of appeal to Attorney General dhi bedo gi shida. Ing'e ni king'iyo article 260 of the constitution wacho niya all state offices are listed there. To ka idwaro create kidwa yango another office as a state office to okoni nyaka bunge nyaka koro parliament nyaka ket chik pass a law ma create this office of CAS for instance. Ka parliament ose create law to enable appointment of CAS koro ka advertise koro that office cannot be a state office ka onge chik no endo. I can tell you Trevor, the court of appeal will not have a different finding. The finding ma high court need CAS is unconstitutional will remain because obedo fashion kaka state office. Because in the allure and prestige mabiro gi state office in security in drivers in high salary principal secretary answer to the CAS and the CS but key downgrade a job group mabiro piny ni principal secretary then the office will be constitutional, will be legal. Number 2 doho matokoro I don't agree with the high court. Okay, teach high court yiso Sirkal ni bloated, cabinet is bloated, public service is bloated. No, mano teach treasury koko ni wan gi pesa ma wanyalo chulo go jogo to doho cannot say no. Now you can get an CAS 23 ni the constitution does not anticipate ni 22 CSS be deputized by 50 CAS. Okay, very musical, lofty, entertaining, but koro wapinjo do karakoro in your mind how many CAS are unnecessary. Does the court have the power to determine the number of CAS? It doesn't. Then grudge need 20, 23, 24. Kora paroni the issue of the wage bill should not be a conversation when you're creating a public bill, a public office.
Okay.
Number 3, question of public participation. It's in the office, not the number. Ka jopinyo say the public participation, ma jopinyo wachoni, okay, we'll create office map chief administrative secretary. In fact, jopinyo can tell you, not 23 midwa ketogeno, ketkata 100. Judiciary itself was a bit higher more than the numbers they budgeted for. Katasani indeed they can say, in fact, Chikwashonia, at the Court of Appeal, the law sets a maximum of 30 judges.
Yeah.
They want to amend it to increase that and to make it open. Mondogi hire another 15 judges from 30 to 45. These additional 15 judges, Trevor, they will need security, they will need staff, they need everything, pension and all that. Personal archive. So how come when you medo judges to pesanity? When you're hiring more teachers, pesanity. But when you're appointing CAS to pesa onge. Money is not the business of the court.
Okay.
So it's a consequence of your choice. Kaka Sirkal tiyo. Emomi usamibia ballot. Kiko kura na Azimio, kiko kura na Kenya Kwanza, na kiko kura kiseso mu manifesto margi, kichi Sirkal nigi thuolo ma ketho pes jopiny.
Okay.
Kithuolo ma ketho pes jopiny, emomi nafas ma kelo Sirkal ma tiyo gi pes jopiny maber. No one will ever go to jail for employing more people.
Okay.
Kata counties, they get 6, say a county, got 6 billion. Igeni 6 billion, 75% the payment of salaries. Less than 30% is on the development. So it's just a consequence of our choices.
Kakoro watiku wachini okil.